In this video, you will learn how to manage the seal clamping system in GO2cam. We have imported and positioned a bridge in the disk. If the element touches the seal clamp system as shown, the element will turn in a red color. If you click on Validate, this error message will appear, and if you click on OK, the offset area will disappear. Positioning of the element is a must, or else the resulting toolpath will be problematic. You can show or hide the clamping system by clicking on this symbol here. If the C-clamp option is used, GO2cam offers the option to machine the elements on the disk edge with an open area. If you activate this option, when an element's original offset curve goes out of the disk edge, the offset area will be reshaped to a bigger area, such that all the disk material is between the element and the disk edge. So we're going to see that directly in GO2cam. So here we have a bridge which has been positioned. Now, if I reposition it near the disk edge and this option is activated, you will see that we have a bigger offset area, which goes out of the disk edge. You can then validate and proceed as you do normally.